Hi kids! Nice to see you again. Ready to learn today? Okay, today we'll try writing the uppercase letters of the alphabet from a 2M. Before we continue, get your books and pencils ready, okay? We'll try practicing right away. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other interesting videos. And here there is an example of the letter A. Uppercase. We will try to write the letter A as an example. Have you prepared your books and pencils? Okay, let's get started. To write the letter A, you have to start from the bottom and draw a line from point number 1 to number 2 above, as shown in the picture. Let's try. Nice! Now we draw the line again, from point number 3 to point number 4. Let's try. Good? While practicing in your book, okay? Finally, make a horizontal line by connecting points number 5 and 6, as shown in the picture. Let's try. Good job, friend. You did it right. Now let's try to write the letter B. To write the letter B, you have to make a vertical line by connecting points 1 and 2, as shown in the picture. Let's try. Enough! Now we have to draw a semicircular curved line by connecting points number 3 and 4. Let's try. Enough! Now do the same on points 5 and 6. Let's start. Good! The letter B is done. Now let's try to write the letter C by connecting points 1 and 2 like a semicircle line. Let's try. Good job! Easy, right? Since our time is limited, let's continue in the next video, okay? Show your learning results to your mother and father, okay? See you!